The Union Cabinet meeting held yesterday has approved classical language status for 5 languages of India. However, Manipuri was not among the newly approved languages for classical language status. Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sanajauba, who has been playing active role for the cause, has expressed his deep disappointment over non-consideration of Manipuri from the list of languages to be granted classical status. The Union Cabinet gave approval for granting classical language status to Assamese, Bengali, Marathi, Pali and Prakrit. In an emotional Facebook post, MP Sanajauba wrote he is shocked and emotional considering his continuous efforts over the past 4 to 5 years to secure classical status for Manipuri language. He attributed the setback to the lack of political pressure, lobbying and inactive efforts on their side. Despite this disappointment, MP Sanajauba said that he remains committed to the cause and vowed to continue pushing for Manipuri's recognition as a classical language throughout his tenure. He called for cooperation from all stakeholders to achieve this goal. Meanwhile, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma expressed his elation, calling it as happiest days in his life following Union Cabinet's approval of Assamese as classical language status of India.
Aina MP he oi bagi ahan ba session do madudai gi halan issue nei na pukhajawa 2020 gi tamsida ekhoi gi classical language taru khaktang chali parliament do pukhatkre de pukhala matung sida khoi gi kitang kai hani khoi gi state ki side gi mari leina ba singna ma se kitang khoi pressure pi ba wat pa hona bi ba wat pa malam barga hoji phause tanda ba do adai du da khoi de gi tati ekhoi gi manipur gi su leijeri ba pot myam si dang nuai ta ma mi gi na amna khoi gi samna khoi gi ngasai gi du da ihor hona dana san ba lon su yauri pressure gumba karigumba dagi politically tawbadano kitang aisu nungai tadana aikhoi gi ju sap sana magi classical language mo oiba yabagi magundu lerega karigino khoi sina taphori se habigi nungai tabaduni da